Have you been looking for a performance SUV with styling that won't break the bank? Well, take a look at this 2020 Alfa Romeo Stelvio TI Sport Carbon in Volcano Black. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, carbon fiber grille, infrared windshield, 20-inch aluminum wheels, gloss red brake calipers, carbon fiber exterior mirrors, active blind spot, rear window wiper and washer, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 6,000 miles on the odometer, 8.8-inch infotainment display, navigation, rear backup camera, Alpha DNA drive modes, heated rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6179.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.